This gunite swimming pool has a poorly installed vanishing edge tank that has created an 18-foot structural crack in the pool floor. The men will begin to show the complete repair using AquaGuard Super Epoxy. The men have already removed a 12-inch opening in the pool plaster and V-cut the crack opening. They will begin countersinking the number 3 rebar staples. Now the staples are preset in a 12-inch on-center pattern to ensure a proper fit. The men will now install the staples using the 400 milliliter AquaGuard Super Epoxy with static mixer gun. The staples and crack repair now set in AquaGuard Super Epoxy. They will allow this to cure for 4 to 6 hours to a comprehensive strength of 14,000 psi and bond strength of over 2,000 psi. The next step will be to float gray hydraulic cement over the entire crack to smooth out the repair and allow it to dry. This will prevent any rebar burns. Now the men will install 12-inch wide, 17-ounce biaxial fiberglass with a vinyl ester resin. This creates a bridge over the entire repair. Once completed, it is ready for bond coat adhesive to ensure proper adhesion of the plaster. Now the repair is finished with the original color plaster and looks great. The AquaGuard Super Epoxy has excellent adhesion to concrete, steel, and fiberglass. The installer has saved the customer money and downtime, along with a 2-year warranty. All materials in this video can be purchased on the website www.aquaguard5000.com and is coming to supply houses soon.